From an investor standpoint, you work with a variety of investors nationally, abroad, in a variety of different ways, from somebody as little as $25,000 on up, from a novice investor to an accredited investor. This seems to be like a long-term play. Is that the type of investor that works with you in opportunities like this?
When we deal with opportunities like this, if we're doing a large transaction, and I'll answer that in a second, but I want you to see on the left here, this is actually another double lot where they're building another gorgeous mansion. And we're very good friends with the builders. They do a phenomenal job. And as you can see, this is just another absolutely stunning property. But when we're dealing with this type of high-end community, depending on if we're doing a single type of acquisition, like just a double lot, well then yeah, we might have an investor that's coming in and it's just part of their portfolio diversification. But generally when we take down a big project like this, where we're actually buying 100 plus lots in a community, or we buy the rest of the development like we did in Georgia, we generally try to focus on bringing some of our higher net worth clients, because the way that we look at the numbers is those are the individuals that can afford that level of risk long term. And so they can keep that in their portfolio investment as a part of it. So, it really just varies. We look at, the situation. We look at how much capital is going to be required, the timeline that we project evaluation to be. By the way, these are 2 double lots as well that have been assembled by one of our team members. So we just feel that, it's all based on a circumstance. We look at our clients and we look at their financial situation, and then from there we actually will allocate some of their funds to different parts of projects. But generally something of this caliber, if we're doing more as in bulk large, it's typically a client that we've done business with for a long time that has enough capital that we feel comfortable enough to allocate some of their funds into this type of portfolio for what we call higher risk, higher reward.
Right.